Hey, Tady here from the OSC, and I've got some exciting news for you just in from the FBA Deal Source team that I'd love to share with you first. But before I do, let's just recap on what FBA Deal Source is and the capabilities that this service has. Now, FBA Deal Source is possibly the fastest and simplest route for you to source profitable deals for your arbitrage business. It is the world's first 7-day-a-week deal stream service, and you heard it here first. It provides you with profitable deals to supercharge your Amazon arbitrage business, and this service gives you full access to the catalogue of deals inside the software that are updated daily, 7 days a week. Now, the software's inbuilt intelligence updates in real time, which allows you to see true data in line with the supplier and the listing that you're looking to resell on Amazon. Now, we've currently got over 2,500 deals ready and waiting for you inside this service across many categories on Amazon. All you need to do once you've joined is to log into your deal stream, and you'll be able to utilize the Pro Deal Search and Filter system to enable you to shortlist deals based on your business targets so that you can use your source credits to secure deals and open up the supplier link, the ASIN, and the other deal information that you need in order to then go ahead and purchase those deals and send them in and get them sold. Now, we've got source credits available on our different packages for you, allowing you to utilize these source credits against those deals that you've shortlisted. Now, FBA Deal Source has gone one step further and is launching an incredible new feature called the Deal Sweep right inside the deal stream. Now, this is an absolute game changer. It's because it's going to allow you, a current user of the service, and all new users that join, the ability to see every deal, all of the deal data, the deal title, the supplier link, the listing information, and much more during the period of the deal sweep session, saving you time in sourcing and your vetting session. Now, that's direct access and unrestricted access to over 2,500 deals that we've currently got available. And the best bit is you're not required to utilize any of your source credits for the period of the deal sweep. Now, when you're logged in and you see this countdown timer appear on the top of your deal stream page, you know that the deal sweep is on and you've got 60 minutes to get your virtual trolley ready and dust it off and go through all of the deals. It's a race against the clock to reveal and open up all of the available deals that you can then go directly to the supplier's website and purchase the orders that you need in order to get that stock in. So jump in, get finding profitable deals fast for your arbitrage business using FBA Deal Source and benefiting from the reoccurring deal sweep feature that we've got coming very soon. To get access to FBA Deal Source and secure your subscription, comment below and we'll be in touch, because this new feature is the best one yet and it's got many advantages. The quicker you gain access to the FBA Deal Source service, the more deals that you're going to be finding within the deal sweep. So don't miss the boat. This is an absolute huge opportunity for you to increase your inventory levels, to increase your sales performance, and also maximize your productivity when sourcing in 2021. Now, we look forward to seeing you on the other side and you benefiting from this amazing software and this brand new feature. Bye for now.